Hi students, good morning to all. I welcome you all for today's online class. On the continuation of application of vector algebra, today's class we are going to learn about scalar triple product. We already learned about the dot product of two vectors. What is meant by the dot product of two vectors? That means A dot B. So we call it as dot product of two vectors or scalar product of two vectors. So to find this, you just multiply the coordinates of I with I, j with j and k with k. When it comes to the scalar triple product, how will you write this scalar triple product? That means three vectors. One is A, the other one is B, the third one is C. How will you write this scalar triple product? Someone is saying A dot B dot C. No, this is not the way of writing the scalar triple product, because if you take the dot product of two vectors, you will get one number. That means one constant. For example, k. If I able to take the dot product with the scalar to the vector, ஒரு நம்பர் எடுத்து ஒரு வெக்டார் கூட டாட் ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ண முடியுமா? We can't. So this is meaningless. A dot B dot C is meaningless. So how we write this scalar triple product? A dot B cross C or A cross B dot C. So this is the way of writing the scalar triple product. Cross product of two vectors, then dot product of third vector. Here also cross product of two vectors, then you have to take the dot product of third vector. Now listen here, A cross B. If you take the cross product of two vectors, you will get one vector. For example, D vector. You can take the dot product of two vectors. So this gives a number. This gives any number. So this is the scalar triple product. So this is the way of writing the scalar triple product. A cross B dot C or A dot B cross. How will you find the scalar triple product? How will you find the value of scalar triple product? A dot B cross C. It can be also written in the form of box product A, B, C. Within the square bracket, you can write the three vectors A, B, C simply with using commas or without using comma. So this is also another, it is called by another word, another name, box product. Scalar triple product is also called as box product. So you have to write this in the square bracket. Within that you can write A, B, C. So to find this, we can use the determinant, then write the components of A, B and C. If you expand this, straight away you will get one constant. So this is the way of finding the scalar triple product as a number. So using the determinant, you can expand the 3 by 3 matrix form, then you will get one answer. So this is the way of finding the scalar triple product or getting the value of A dot B cross C or A cross B dot C. Next we are going to see the geometrical meaning of A dot B cross C. What is the geometrical meaning? Geometrical meaning means இது வந்து geometrical ஒரு diagrammatic என்ன சொல்லுது, என்னது, what you are going to find out. So you are finding the volume of parallelepiped. So this is a parallelepiped. So this is the x-axis. Treat this as y-axis. Then the z-axis is like this. It pointing towards to you. Because third dimension inga varai mudiyadhu. Just I am showing you. This is the z-axis. So for that I am going to draw the z as like this. அதாவது இது இங்க போர்ட்ல இருக்காது, இப்படி இருக்கும். That is pointing towards you. உங்களை பாயிண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். That is the third vertex, third axis. X-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This is the parallelepiped which is in the form of cuboid which is tilted slightly. இப்படி லைட்டாக அப்படி சாஞ்சு இருக்கும். We call this as parallelepiped. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L-O-P-I-P-E-D. Parallelepiped. So you are finding the volume of this diagram, this object. இந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் உடைய வால்யூம் தான் நீங்க கண்டுபிடிக்கிறீங்க. எது A dot B cross C அப்படின்னா. So A cross B dot C or A dot B cross C means you are finding the volume of parallelepiped with coterminous edges A, B and C. That means coterminous edges na இது மூணும் முடிஞ்சிடும். இதோட ஃபினிஷிங் இதோட முடிஞ்சிடும். அதாவது எட்ஜஸ் வந்து முடியும். இது வந்து கண்டினியூஸ் ஆகிட்டே போகாது. ஸோ தட் இஸ் கால்ட் த கோடெர்மினஸ் எட்ஜஸ். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த ஜாமெட்ரிக்கல் மீனிங் ஆஃப் A cross P dot C. Next you can see some of the important properties. The first property is you can write the box product in 3 cyclic order A B C or B C A or C A B. All these three gives the same value, same answer. A B C, box product of A B C, box product of B C A, box product of C B A B C A. A B C B C A C A B. So these three are equal. Then if you have any scalar product with any vectors of box product, இதுக்குள்ள ஏதாவது ஒரு நம்பர் காமனா இருந்தா you can take the lambdas common and then you can find the box product of ABC. lambda காமனா வெளியில எடுத்துட்டு இப்படி பண்ணலாம். Then one more important thing, if you have any two vectors of same value A B B or A A B or A C C, if you have any two vectors of same, then the answer is 0. A B B or A A or A C C, இந்த மாதிரி ரெண்டு vectors same vectors, two vectors are same in the box product means then the value of the determinant is 0. இதை நீங்க determinantல படிச்சிருப்பீங்க. determinantல any two rows or columns are identical. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஐடென்டிக்கலாக இருந்தால் நம்மளுடைய ஆன்சர் வந்து 0 நம்ம ஏற்கனவே 11th படிச்சிருப்பீங்க. டிட்டர்மினன்ட் வேல்யூவில் எனி டூ ரோஸ் ஆர் காலம்ஸ் ஆர் ஐடென்டிக்கல். அப்போ அது மாதிரி இங்கே வந்து பி அப்படின்னு ரெண்டு வெக்டாரு இருந்ததுன்னா நீங்கள் ரெண்டு காம்பவுண்ட்ஸும் சேமாக தான் எழுத போகிறீங்க. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 1 - 2 - 3 அப்படின்னா 1 - 2 - 3 அப்படி தான் எழுத போகிறீங்க. ஸோ இஃப் யூ எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் திஸ் யூ வில் கெட் த ஆன்சர் as 0. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த தேர்ட் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. தென் ஒன் மோர் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி இஸ் கோப்ளானார். Coplanar means the box product of three vectors or the scalar triple product is 0. If the scalar triple product is 0, then these three vectors lies on the same plane. இப்போ ஒரே பிளேன்ல இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். அதாவது இந்த parallelepiped ஃபார்ம் ஆகாது. parallelepiped ஃபார்ம் ஆகாது அப்படின்னா these three vectors are lies on the same plane. A B C எல்லாமே ஒரே பிளேன்ல இருக்கும். ஒரே பிளேன்ல இருந்தா the box product is 0. That means parallelepiped ஃபார்ம் ஆகலன்னா அங்கே வால்யூமே கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது. வால்யூம் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாதுன்னா அதோட ஆன்சர் 0 இருக்கும். ஸோ இஃப் த்ரீ வெக்டர்ஸ் லை ஆன் த சேம் பிளேன், லை ஆன் த சேம் பிளேன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, ஆர் கோப்ளானார்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. தென் த பாக்ஸ் ப்ராடக்ட் இஸ் 0. ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் த இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ். யூசிங் திஸ் யூ கேன் டூ த எக்ஸசைஸ் 6.2. Now in exercise 6.2, if A vector equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap and B vector equal to 2I cap and plus j cap minus 2k cap, C vector equal to 3I plus 2j plus k, then find A dot B cross C. We are going to find the scalar triple product A dot B cross C. That means you can use the box product of A, B, C. You can open the determinant and write the components of A 1 minus 2 3 and 2 1 minus 2 3 2 1. Now you can expand this 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 4. Here minus 2, we are going to write the plus 2. Second term minus or no, another minus into minus plus 2 into 2 minus 6 becomes plus 6 plus 3 into 4 minus 3. 4 plus 1 5, 5 into 1 5, 2 plus 6 8, 8 into 2 gives 16, 4 minus 3 1, 1 into 3 gives 3. So the answer is 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 5 24. So this is the value of A dot B cross C. Using this same concept, you do the second sum and the third sum as homework. In that they ask you to find the volume of parallelepiped. Volume of parallelepiped is also the box product of 3. So again in the box product use panina, you will get the value of volume of parallelepiped. The third sum also you have to use the same formula. Now we will do the fourth sum. Next in the fourth sum, if A, B, C are non-coplanar vectors represented by the concurrent edges of parallelepiped of volume 4 cubic units, then you have to find the A plus B dot B cross C plus B plus C dot C cross A plus C plus A dot A cross B. So if the volume of the parallelepiped is 4 means, then the box product is 4. Now I am going to expand this A plus B dot B cross C. So the expand panina A dot B cross C, A dot B cross C, then plus B dot B cross C plus like that here B dot C cross A, B dot C cross A plus C dot C cross A plus C dot A cross B plus A dot A cross B. So this is the way of expanding this. A between the B cross C dot pandrom, B dot this vector like that, B dot this vector like that. So this is in the form of scalar triple product. Idella pathina scalar triple product. In scalar triple product A dot B cross C, that means you can write this as box product of A, B, C. இதோட answer 0 ஆயிடும் because B, B, C இருக்கு ரெண்டு வெக்டர்ஸ் சேம் ஆனதுனா 0 அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டில சொன்னோம். So this answer is 0. Here this is not 0. You can write this as box product of B, C, A. Here this is 0. Here you can write this as C, A, B. Then last one is also 0. So ABC, BCA and CAB. All these three are equal. மூணுமே ஈக்குவல் தான். இது ஒரு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டில சொல்லிருப்போம். செகண்ட் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி ABC, BCA and CAB all are equal. So you can write all this as ABC, ABC, ABC ன்னு எழுதிக்கலாம். We know the value of parallelepiped, that is volume of parallelepiped is 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, the answer is 12 cubic units. So this is the answer for this expansion. The expansion of the value is 12 cubic units. Next in the fifth sum, find the altitude of parallelepiped determined by the vectors A, B and C if the base is taken as parallelogram determined by B and C. First we are going to find the volume of parallelepiped, that is A dot B cross C. For that I am going to use the determinant with the components of A, B and C. 1, 3, minus 2. The component of C is minus 4, minus 3, 1 and 4. If you expand this, you will get minus 2 into 12 plus 2, minus 5 into 4 plus 4, minus 6 plus 3 into 1 plus 9. That gives 12 plus 2, 14, 14 into 2, 28, minus 2 into minus 5. 10 into 3, 30. 40, 40 minus 28 gives 12. So this is the volume of parallelepiped. Then we are going to find the base area. That means the area of the parallelogram. Base area means the base is in the form of parallelogram. To find the area of parallelogram, we have to take the cross product of A and B. But here the base is B and C. So the base area is cross product of B and C. that is ijk. Use the ijk in the determinant. Then use the components of b and c. 1 3 minus 2 minus 3 1 4. If you expand this, I times 12 plus 2 minus j times 4 minus 6 plus k times 1 plus 9. So 14i minus into minus 2 into minus plus 2j plus 10k. We have to take the modulus of this b cross a. So modulus of b cross a gives square root of 14 square plus 2 square plus 10 square. 14 square is 196 plus 4 plus 100. 200, 300. 300 can be written as 10 root 3. So this is the base area. Now I am going to find the altitude. So what is the volume of parallelepiped? How will you get the volume? Base area into height, that is altitude. So to find the altitude, what we can do? We have to divide the volume with base area. So the volume here is 12 by the base area is 10 root 3. If you cancel this with 2, you will get 6 by 5 root 3. 6 into root 3 by root 3. Here 5 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 gives 3 into 5. Again you can cancel this. You will get 2 by 5 root 3. This is the altitude of parallelepiped. So first you have to find the volume. Volume வச்சிட்டு base area கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். Base area உடைய modulus தான் நம்பர்ஸ்ல மாத்திக்கிறோம். Then you have to divide the volume with base area. You will get the altitude. Next, the sixth sum. Determine whether the three vectors 2i plus 3j plus k, I minus 2j plus 2k and 3i plus j plus 2k are coplanar. You do this sum as homework. The concept of coplanar is the box product is 0. So use the determinant and three vectors. The answer should be 0. If the answer is 0, then the given three vectors are coplanar. Like that, seventh sum also a, b, c. Three vectors are given. Here these three are also coplanar. In this C1, C2, the values are given to you. C1 is 1, C2 is 2. You have to find the C3. Here it is 1, 2. You have to find the C3. திரும்ப அதே மாதிரி coplanar கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Since the vectors are coplanar, you open the determinant and equate it to 0. You will get one equation and you will get the value of C3. ஒரு equation கிடைக்கும். அதுல இருந்து C3 உடைய ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். Seventh sum also you can do the seventh also homework. Sixth and seventh homework போட்டுங்க. Next we will see the eighth sum. In this eighth sum, a vector is I minus j, b vector equal to xi plus j plus 1 minus x into k, c vector equal to yi plus xj plus x minus y into k. Show that box product of ABC depends on neither x nor y. That means box product of ABC வந்து x ஐயும் y ஐயும் depend பண்ணி இல்ல அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணனும். So I am going to find the box product of A. That is, in the determinant, I am going to write the components of A. That is 1, 0, minus 1. B, x, 1, 1 minus x. C is y, x, 1 plus x minus y. I am going to expand this. 1 into, I am going to multiply this 1. You will get 1 plus x minus y. 1 with these three terms. 1 plus x minus y. I am going to multiply these terms with minus x into 1 minus x. Next term is 0, leave that. The third term is minus 1 into x square minus y. X square minus y. Now you simplify this. 1 plus x minus y. If you multiply this minus x plus x square. Here 1 into minus 1 into this minus 1 into x square minus 1 into y gives plus y. So if I simplify panina, x square minus x square gets cancelled, plus x minus x gets cancelled, minus y plus y gets cancelled. The answer is 1. So the box product of ABC is 1. So it doesn't depends upon x and y. X and y depend பண்ணி இல்ல. So therefore it does not depends on x or y. X and y depend on that means neither x nor y. The ninth sum, if the vector ai plus aj plus ck, I plus k and ci plus cj are coplanar, then prove that C is the geometric mean of A and B vector. So here the three vectors are coplanar. Coplanar means we know that the box product is 0. So I am going to use the box product of these three vectors. So what are the three vectors? A, C, the component of A, C. The second one is 1, 0, 1. And third one is C, C and B. We have to prove that C is the geometric mean of A and B. C is geometric mean of A and B means I have to get the value of C as root of AB. In the answer and so I am going to expand this A into 0 minus C. Next one is minus A into B minus C plus C vector into C minus 0 equal to 0. If I multiply this, I will get minus AC minus AB minus into minus plus AC, then plus C square equal to 0. Here minus AC and plus AC gets cancelled. I will get C square minus AB equal to 0, C square equal to A into B. If I take the square root on both sides, here C is equal to root of AB. That means C is the geometric mean of A and B. So therefore C is the geometric mean of A and B. Hence we prove that C is the geometric mean of A and B. The last sum, 10th sum, let A, B, C are three non-zero vectors such that C vector is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B if the angle between A and B is pi by 6. You have to show that box product of ABC whole square equal to 1 by 4 times modulus of A square into modulus of B square. Look at the given condition. C vector is a unit vector. Unit vector means their modulus is 1. Unit vector means the modulus of those vector is 1. Then the angle between the two vectors A and B, that is A and B, angle between the two vectors, that is theta, is given as pi by 6. So we have to prove that box product of ABC whole square is equal to 1 by 4 times modulus of A square into modulus of B square. Okay, I am going to take the box product of ABC. How will I write this box product of ABC? A dot A cross B dot C. What is the formula for A cross B? Modulus of A, modulus of B into sin theta. Here theta is pi by 6 into the cap vector. What is the cap vector? Here the cap vector is C vector. Since C is perpendicular to both A and B. C வந்து A க்கு B க்கு பெர்பெண்டிகுலரா இருக்கு. அதனால A cross B உடைய கேப் வெக்டார் என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா C வெக்டார் டாட் இந்த C வெக்டார் இங்க வந்துரும். So this is the cap vector of A cross B. Actually A cross B உடைய ஃபார்முலா என்ன எழுதுவீங்க? A cross B is equal to modulus of A into modulus of B into sin theta into n cap அப்படினு போடுவோம். இந்த n cap அப்படின்றது இங்க வந்து C வெக்டார். So C vector அப்படி போட்டாச்சு. So C dot C, what is the value of C dot C? That is 1. Sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. Then modulus of A into modulus of B vector. Now I am going to take the squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides use பண்ணீனா here square 1 by 2 square பண்ணீனா 1 by 4 modulus of A square into modulus of B square. So you will get the answer. Prove பண்ணியாச்சு. Hence proved. Okay, with this the exercise is over. Practice all the sums. Then do the homework given to you. 4 sums கொடுத்திருக்கேன். 2, 3 and 6 and 7 sums. Practice all the sums and enjoy the day. We will see in the next class.